Working with Joomla templates. In this lesson, we'll review how you can change what templates you're working with and how you can make minor changes to the templates that come with core Joomla. This is an example of the Joom Aquarium site that I already built on another server. It is using a core Joomla template. So let's figure out how to get our current site, which looks like this, to look more like this, the new site. So to begin, you need to go to your administrator panel and go to the Template Manager, which is in Extensions and Template Manager. First, I would like to change which template I'm using for the site. Currently, we're using Bees 2. I know that because the default star is selected right here. Let's change it to Bees 5. So I click on the checkbox and then click on Make Default. Now let's refresh the screen to see the differences. This isn't the exact view that I want for my site, but keep in mind we've installed sample data in the site, which is where the Matuna Fruits logo is coming from and the banner here in the middle. So let's adjust these. To adjust the logo in Bees 5, you can click on Bees 5. Here you have an option for the logo. To change the logo, you can click on Select. Currently, I'm in the Fruit Shop directory, so I'm going to click on Up, and then Up again for sample data. And now I've already uploaded logo.png, which I got from my images folder. It's called Joom Aquarium, and the file name is logo.png. You can click on it now. And if you haven't uploaded it already, you can always click on Browse and then re-upload it. Once you have it in the image URL box, click on Insert. I also want to change the site title and the site description. So I'm going to put the title of my aquarium here. And now I'll put in the site description. And then I can click Save and Close. I can go to my home page and refresh. So now I have my logo up at top here. The next thing I want to do is change the banner that's in here. As we've looked at before, I need to know what module position this banner is sitting in. So to do that, I can go up to the URL, type in $TP equals 1. Remember, in order for this to work properly, you must have it enabled on your Template Manager options. So I can see here the banner placement is position 15. So now I can go to my Module Manager. Extensions, Module Manager. Because there's already an image in position 15, what I can do is find that image and just change it. Now I can put a banner into position 15. I just click on New, Custom HTML. I can just type banner in for the title. I do not want to display the title, and I want it to go into position 15. Then I can select my image if I click on the image icon. I'm going to upload the image. Click on Upload, then click Browse, and now I can select Banner 1. Click Upload. Make sure I click on it to make sure the URL is filled in on the top. I can then scroll down and click Insert. And I want this to appear on all pages. I can scroll up to the top, click Save and Close. And now I can preview my page. I'm going to turn off the $TP equals 1. And now I'm pretty much at the site that I was looking for. I have Joom Aquarium up here, my logo, and I have a banner here in the middle. Let's go back to the templates to see what other options we can set. When you're working with different templates, you also have to keep in mind that different templates may have different positions. Since we just switched from the Bees 2 template to the Bees 5 template, the position numbers were the same. So the things we had on the left are still there, and the things in the middle are still there. Keep in mind, when you put in new templates, you may end up with different position numbers, so you'll have to adjust that. In this lesson, we reviewed how you can change what templates you're using for the website, And we talked about some of the parameters in the Bees 5 template, such as adding a logo, and then working with the module manager, we put a banner into position 15.